In this video, we are going to see Windows 11 features. I am testing this in VMware. Because Microsoft released this ISO as a developer preview, there will be some performance issue. So experts ask us to test or run them in VMware to avoid data loss. If you got ISO file, you can test them by running in VMware. We are now in the V machine running. The developer released ISO file. This installation is similar to the rest of the Windows, so I'm skipping this screen. You can skip the key entering part because we are just testing this release. This ISO file comes with a bundle of Windows versions. It always recommends to choose the Pro Edition. You can read and agree on the Microsoft agreements and then press the next button. This version of Windows requires at least 60 GB of space, so allocate VMware accordingly. This condition also applies when you install a stable version once it released. It will take few minutes to copy files to your hard disk. Change the boot disk priority now. We can notice that there is a change in the Windows logo. It's just tilted slightly. This is a brand new installation wizard. I personally loved it. Choose your country or region and press Next. Next is choosing your keyboard layout. By default it is US. In the next step, Windows will check for update. Note that we are using VMware, so Windows do not ask us to choose a network. Here you can choose personal use and proceed to the next step. In this step, you can choose Sign In option and select the offline account for now. Press the Limited Experience option to proceed with the offline account. Enter your name and password in upcoming sections. Answer the security questions. It might come in handy in case you forgot your password. But do remember the answer that you choose. Enable or disable these privacy settings, according to your need. We almost completed our installation part. It will take a few seconds or minutes to complete the rest. There is also a change in this welcome screen. Finally, we are in brand new Windows 11 interface. The first thing I noticed is Start menu's position. Microsoft also changed the style of the icon in this release. They look great. Position of user account button and power off button also changed. I personally think, if it has dark mode, this Windows version would look great. Microsoft must have adapted this version of Start menu as a combination of Windows 98 and Windows 10. They have also changed the splash screen of each application, so our long wait has not gone in vain. It feels like Microsoft Edge does not have any changes, but it is well optimized for this Windows. New Windows 11 wallpaper also looks great, but I think it's just graphic and there is no concept in this image. Still, let's hope they will release more wallpapers soon. Notepads about Windows is also changed into a compact size. They also mentioned the Notepad version here as 10.2. Next is my favorite part. In other releases of Windows, all the folder icons will look alike. But in Windows 11, each folder has its own unique color. It's one of the best features, I suppose. I hope this video makes you understand what's new in this version of Windows. If you found it useful, please do like and share these videos. If I missed any feature, do tell them via comments. As far as gaming, I think we need to check them on a physical machine. Don't attempt to run games on VMware. Most of us face that TPM error. I request Microsoft has to consider making that optional. Thanks for watching.